Bob, welcome today.
Hi.
Yeah, this is Father Peter with Coach Bob. He wants to teach us how to learn hitting the wall. Right, Bob? Thank you so much.
All right, Peter, the reason this is important is when you play, you're not getting enough repetitions. When you hit the backboard or use a ball machine, or even just swing without the ball, you're getting more reps. You want to get reps. Practice makes perfect. I like the ball because the board drill, because it comes back nice and soft. I like the board better than cement too, because the pace is better. So what I'm going to show you here is how to hit proper topspin, forehand, backhand, get your wrist in position, then hit some slices, some flat shots. I'll even hit it 1 or 2 overheads and lobs. You can do all the shots right here. Just the idea is keep on practicing and be nice to yourself. So watch me do it. I'll start close and I'll step farther back. Here we go. Like this. We're just trying to get our footwork in order. Here, here. My lower body right here. Now you're going to hit a couple slices here. Slices. Then a couple flat shots here. Oh, sorry. Here, here, boom. Here. Now we step back a little farther back. Do the same thing. And here. See that topspin? You got to have topspin on your shot. Now, what I want to show you too is the best players use their tips on the forehand too. Besides the backhand, you're usually getting your tips through the ball. Not every shot is an arm shot. So you got to have these. Now, go back to slices here. The high slices here. Low. So, sorry about that. Right. There we go. Now we get a couple flat shots like this. Here. Now what we do is just a couple overheads here. Snap it down. Nope, this is nice and easy. Snap it down. Just a couple of these. And I can even hit a couple lobs if I go close enough. Where I tip my shoulder. So just tip my shoulder, get a little spin on it. Spin that ball. Like that. And that basically gets all the shots. So we're just throwing here. Boom. Full shots where I feel the whole stretch of my body. The whole stretch here. Top the hips all the way through. You're getting this whole stretch in the body. Chin down in position, boom. And then you hit the slices same way. You're coming through, slices, slices, flat shots. That's why the board drill is so good. Thanks, Bob Moylan.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you for helping us again today.
Love it, love it.
Bless you.
All right.
Thank you. Right.